In this video, we break down the top 5 dash cams on the market this year, based on price versus performance, and situations they'll be used in. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value, or you're looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which dash cam will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. We'll start with the Veritech C500, our choice for best budget dash cam. If you're shopping on a budget, the Veritech C500 retails for around $60 and will document your drive in 1080p HD video. It has a wide-angle field of view and is equipped with a G sensor that will secure any video recorded during an accident. This dash cam is small and unobtrusive with a 2-inch screen, and attaches to your windshield with a suction mount and starts recording when you start your car. The camera has a 2-megapixel Sony IMX323 sensor to capture full HD video at 30 frames per second for great picture quality and sharp details of other vehicles, street signs, and license plates. Video is recorded to a memory card that writes in a loop that you can specify in 1, 3, or 5-minute segments. Once it reaches the capacity of the memory card, it will overwrite the previous data. The one important security feature to mention is the G sensor, which detects when you've been involved in a collision. The section of the video where the impact occurred will be locked and secured, so it can't be overwritten. You'll always have an accurate account of what happened for law enforcement or insurance purposes. You can also use the screenshot function to extract specific frames from any video quickly and easily. And you'll even get great video in low light conditions or at night with the C500's optimized lens aperture that lets in more light. And capturing large intersections is no problem thanks to the C500's wide 140-degree field of view that doesn't introduce any type of optical distortion to the recorded video. And when your vehicle's unattended, a car security feature can be used to detect motion or vibration and will begin recording immediately if your vehicle is being tampered with or collides with it. If you're in the market for a budget dash cam that does it all without getting in the way, the Veritech C500 is an excellent choice, offering solid video, good viewing angles, and a product that works nearly as good as those outside of its price range. It's likely going to be your go-to option for someone looking to spend something in the $50 to $60 price range. Now we'll take a look at the Vantrue N2 Pro, our choice for great front and inside dash cam. The Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam is priced at around $170 and is a great front and inside solution for rideshare drivers or families to monitor both outside and inside the vehicle at the same time. If you make some or all of your income from a rideshare service, the N2 Pro is the perfect dash cam to provide you with solid evidence should a lawsuit or complaint be thrown your way. It's also great for families, so you can keep an eye on the back seat as you're driving. The N2 attaches to your windshield and starts recording when you start your car, and includes a 24-hour motion-activated parking mode that will automatically start recording if the camera detects motion. The front-facing 1440p high-definition camera gives you super clear footage with a wide 170-degree field of view. The image details are clear, crisp, and vivid, but some blurring may occur at night when bright lights come into frame. The interior-facing camera has an f2.0 aperture that can handle low-light conditions and gives you audio and 1080p video at 60 frames per second of the driver and passengers, and can be a lifesaver if you ever need to seek compensation for damage done by an unruly passenger. The 140-degree field of view easily covers pretty much any car interior, and 4 infrared LEDs light up the area so you'll always get a usable image, even if it's completely dark. The recording format uses a 1, 3, or 5-minute loop system, and if you're involved in a collision, the G sensor in the dash cam will secure the section of the recording so it can't be overwritten. If you're a rideshare driver or want to keep an eye on the backseat when you're driving, the Vantrue N2 Pro is a great choice. With 1440p resolution, a wide 170-degree field of view, an interior-facing camera, and infrared lights, the N2 Pro offers pretty much all of the performance and features you could ask for in a duo dashcam. Next on the list is the Garmin Dashcam 66W, our choice for best extra-wide dashcam. The Garmin Dashcam 66W is priced at around $200 and records with a massive 180-degree field of view, making it one of the best extra-wide dashcams on the market. The 66W has a 2-inch display with a resolution of 320 by 240. The top edge is home to a ball-and-socket connection for Garmin's universal windscreen mount. It's a simple mounting system that allows for adjustments in any direction and attaches to your windshield with a magnet. For power, a pair of micro USB cables and an adapter that uses your vehicle's 12-volt lighter socket is included. Video quality options start with the default setting of 1080p Full HD at 60 frames per second, while other options include 1440p, 1080p, or 720p with HDR at 30 frames per second. But one of the biggest improvements that the 66W adds is its 180-degree extra-wide field of view that will show the entire width of the road, including a little bit to the side of your car that will catch collisions that come from the side or drivers that drift over into your lane. The 66W uses the loop recording system, and each video includes date, time, GPS coordinates, and current speed in the lower left corner. And depending on your preference, any of these can be disabled. If a collision is detected by the camera's G sensor, that portion of the video is saved and will not be overwritten by new recordings, so you can use it for insurance or law enforcement purposes. You'll also get a forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and a go alert that prompts you if the vehicle in front of you is gone and you aren't moving. Voice controls allow you to save pictures or 1-minute video clips by speaking to the dashcam, just like you would with any smart speaker. If you're looking for a dashcam that has a wider field of view, along with some extra driver assistance features and voice control, the Garmin Dashcam 66W would be a very good choice for you. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drop, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. This brings us to the Veritech C800 Pro Dashcam, our choice for best value 4K dashcam. Priced at around $100, the Veritech C800 brings the best value in a 4K dashcam that will give you perfect visual detail both day and night with a wide field of view. The C800 Pro has an easy-to-read 3.17-inch IPS screen that mounts to your windshield and records at full UHD 3840 by 2160 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, with a wide 106-degree field of view that gives you an undistorted image that's true and clear when compared to 1080p dashcams. To capture video, the C800 Pro uses an f1.8 aperture and a Sony Stravis lens that's made to produce the best video possible during low-light situations or at night, and clearly shows cars, street signs, objects, and intersections in 4K detail. It also has a dual-core CPU, which ensures that you'll always get smooth frame rates and a fast and stutter-free operation. You can even take pictures to record important moments with a picture feature built into the C800 Pro, like capturing scenery, cars, incidents, and events. Captured images will be saved with the same stunning 4K resolution. All images and video are stored on an SD card up to 256 GB. The C800 Pro features an easy-to-use interface that's loaded with the latest and greatest dashcam technologies that include loop recording, an auto-start feature that lets the dashcam start recording when you start your car, and an emergency G sensor that when a collision is detected, it will preserve the time segment of the recording during that incident. The C800 Pro also has a 24/7 car monitoring that activates and records when motion is detected when the car is parked. The Veritech C800 Pro dashcam is very easy to set up and use. It will give you images and video in superb 4K resolution. With its Sony CMOS sensor, you'll be ensured of quality recordings, even in low light. If you're an average person looking for a high-quality dashcam without spending hundreds of dollars for it, this is likely going to be your best option. The quality doesn't match some of the other products on the list, but it's almost as good performance for around half the price, offers an increase in performance over the budget C500 model, and is the most likely option your average person would want to consider. Last, we'll be taking a look at the Blackfu D900S 2-channel, our choice for best premium 4K dashcam. If you want a top-notch 4K dashcam and money's not an issue, the $500 Blackfu DR900S 2-channel dashcam gives you sharp and detailed 4K UHD resolution, both front and rear cameras, Wi-Fi real-time viewing of video from your smartphone, and cloud support, so you're even protected if your dashcam gets stolen. With over 4 times the number of pixels as a 1080p Full HD dashcam and twice the resolution, this front and rear dashcam set gives you super clarity for capturing plate numbers and recording incidents. Its small and compact size is something you'll really like, and it's discreet with no viewing screen. Since this dashcam is Wi-Fi equipped, everything's viewed right on your smartphone with the Blackfu app. The Blackfu Cloud is a feature that sets this dashcam apart. It uses your phone's internet connection or the vehicle's Wi-Fi enabled hotspot. The cloud feature lets you review video in real time or upload footage, and if someone breaks into your car and steals the dashcam, or if the dashcam's damaged in an accident, you'll have a backup of the video. You can have event notifications sent to your smartphone, and there's also a proximity sensor that can toggle recording of manual events with the wave of your hand. Other regular features include collision detection and parking monitor. The front camera records 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second with a 162-degree field of view, while the rear camera records at 1080p FHD with a field of view of 139 degrees. The front camera uses an 8-megapixel Omnivision OS08A10 CMOS sensor, and the rear has a Sony Stravis IMX291 CMOS sensor. If you're looking to invest in a premium dashcam that will give you 2 cameras to cover the front and rear, GPS data, Wi-Fi, and cloud support, the Blackfu DR900S 2-channel stands out in features and is well worth its higher price tag. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.